Welcome once again to my lecture. It's me, Engineer Edmond. If you have not followed me, you can click on the subscribe to my lectures, and this is the only best way you can help me to enable me create more content for lectures on Civil 3D. It's a AutoCAD program that enables you to design your road and get compelling designs for any road project. So quickly, I'll be taking you on a class how to import point into Civil 3D in 5 minutes. This will help you a lot to gain the foundation and access your point feed data from the surveyor and bring it straight into Civil 3D. Let's go. I have received point data, and this point data is categorized into easting, northing, elevation, and description. It's in a Excel sheet, so I will just select these all files and copy it. I want to place them in the notepad, so we just go to the notepad in your system, and I will be pasting this straight away into the notepad. I will open a new tab there, so let me paste it, the points have been received, so I will just save it as point data or the name and description of the project. I will place it in my desktop. Let me see, road design point. So quickly, I have already loaded my Civil 3D. In this angle, you can see point. This is where you can import any point information. I will just click on point creation tools. Then you will be seeing this point import. There's the import points, the icon. You can extract all your point from here. Now from this angle, I want to share in the specified point file format, which is in the format that the point was received: easting, northing, elevation, and description. So I'll go through whatever list that is here. If the easting, northing, elevation group is not fine, then you have to create a matching point. So you'll be looking through, this is the point file format, so I will still look through here in easting, northing, elevation. Yeah, I'm seeing that is not here, so I have to create one of this kind to bring forth my point. So I'll say new is gonna be point file. I will just go straight to the name and maybe to the project name and say I'll call it my project, my point data. So I will take the zone. This is reference to your zone. Ensure that you choose your country. The year is Nigeria, and the point data extracted from MENA zone 2 is a UTM file, zone 33. So I'm taking the file. So first point I will be referencing my file to be used is the easting, and the next will be the northing, and the order will be the elevation, point elevation, and I will receive lastly the road descriptions. So let's load the point that we want to bring into a file. Is being saved on the desktop, is a notepad. Ensure you are checking here to see if you are taking just a test file or whatever information, because you have different forms to import your points. So I'm going straight to bring my road point, and here I have loaded my information. I will just say okay, let's save it now to the system, and it's here my point. So just close this one. Check if you have my point here. Let's check. Modifier, easting, northing, elevation, and description. It should be in delimited by easting, by northing, by elevation. So we receive the point information as explained. Just bring it into your Civil 3D. The points have been imported into Civil 3D. Thank you so much for following. Just like, share, and subscribe to our station. You'll be getting more of this video and the classes that will be following as explaining from me directly, so you can grow in the design of any road wherever you find yourself.